Have you ever made a promise that you wish you could take back? The court considered whether a Minnesota man who promised to pay his neighbor's way through law school was bound to follow through in the 2007 case, Conrad versus Fields. Marjorie Conrad and Walter Fields met and became friends in the early 1990s when they lived in the same apartment complex. Fields went on to start his own business and become a financially successful businessman. He was known as a philanthropic guy who sometimes paid for the education costs of others. Meanwhile, Conrad was working for a telecommunications company, earning $45,000 a year. In the fall of 2000, Fields suggested that Conrad go to law school. Conrad, who'd just paid off an $11,000 medical bill and still owed $5,000 for her undergraduate student loans, didn't feel capable of paying for law school on her own. Fields promised that he would cover her tuition and other law school expenses. They say never to look a gift horse in the mouth, so Conrad quit her job and enrolled in law school. Fields made 2 tuition payments, but he stopped payment on the second check. At some point, he told Conrad that the Internal Revenue Service, or IRS, had frozen his assets during an audit. Payment of her education expenses would have to wait. Later, Fields reassured Conrad and promised that he would pay her tuition once she graduated and passed the bar. When the time came, however, Fields refused to pay up. Conrad sued Fields for negligence and breach of contract. She stated that she gave up the opportunity to earn income through full-time employment and enrolled in law school in reliance on Fields' promises. After a non-jury trial, the court awarded Conrad approximately $87,000, the cost of her tuition and books, under the doctrine of promissory estoppel. Fields appealed to the Minnesota Court of Appeals.